Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple step-by-step guide on getting your API key on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Ready? Let's get started. Next, navigate to Apps on the left sidebar. It's an essential step for accessing API settings. Now, click on Manage Private Apps. This is where the magic happens. If you don't have any apps yet, create a new private app. Fill in the necessary details. Finally, once saved, your API key will be displayed. Copy it securely for your use. And there you have it. Your API key is ready for action. Use this key to unlock the full potential of your Shopify store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time with more tips on optimizing your e-commerce experience. Remember, your API key is crucial for integrations and enhancements on your Shopify store. Keep innovating and make the most of your Shopify store's capabilities.